Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set a take profit order on eToro. A take profit order is a risk management tool that allows you to automatically close a position once the price reaches a specific level that represents your desired profit. Open up a preferred web browser and log in using your credentials on eToro. After that, use the search bar at the top for the asset you want to trade. Once you have selected the asset, click or tap on the trade button to start a new trade. Enter the amount you wish to invest or trade. You can choose either buy for long trade or sell for short trade depending on your strategy. Look for the take profit field on the trade window. Enter the price level at which you want to take profit. This is the price where your position will automatically close to secure your profit. Double check your trade details including the take profit level, amount and asset. Ensure your order is set up accordingly to your trading strategy, and once everything looks good, click on Open Trade button to execute the trade with the take profit order in place. You can track open trade by visiting the portfolio section. If the asset hits the take profit level, the trade will close automatically. So that is how you can set a take profit order in eToro. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.